Hey everyone, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to solve this horizontal scroll bar in Framer. So basically this happens when you use an overflow visible for breakpoint and you have like images that expand outside the breakpoint. So I created a code override that is gonna hide the scroll bar without having to do the extra steps that you usually have to do it. So let me show you how it works. You can select your breakpoint or your section and then click on code overrides and then select the code override that I created. And then you have to choose between one of these three. So basically I suggest you to start with the first one. If it doesn't work, move to the second one. And if the second one doesn't work, move to the third one. In my case, the second one works perfect. And now when I scroll, there is no scroll bar anymore. You can find the remix link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you next time.